Hey guys, Glen Murray Online. How are you tonight? It is Friday night. TGF. How are you? Hope you're having a great week. We had an amazing week this week. Some really just tons of stuff happening. There's so many, when you have so many, what do they say? Logs in the fire. I don't know, whatever that expression is. Um, Things happen because you're doing stuff. What I want to talk about today is I just set up a brand new product in my business center. If you guys don't know, I have actual products you can buy and stuff like that. If you don't know about it, message me. I'm just kind of getting them out there now. A lot of them are other training products that I've bought that I can sell. I also developing my own products, but I also sell I'll set funnels up for you. We sell websites. Dave and I will make websites for you for a local business, whatever you're looking for. We've got like 250 different niches that we can build into. So whatever you want, like full blown websites, whatever you need. So just message us. But this today is about setting up setting up an affiliate marketing sales funnel for you, and I will set up for a very small fee. And I'm gonna be right up front. If you want this funnel set up for you, it'll be $47. That's it. You can go in and set it up for free, or even better, you can go and click on the link, follow, start setting it all up yourself. And if you get stuck, just message me on the last page of that funnel. There's a button, and you say, "Hey, Glenn, just finish setting it up for me." You go there, you make the payment, you'll get an email, you send me all the information, I set it for you. Why am I doing this? Because procrastination is killing you guys. It is killing you guys. I know, I was there. I would watch video after video after video, and then what I would do, be like, "Oh, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this." What I would do, I'd go lay down on the couch and go, "Oh," because my mind was overloaded. I couldn't take the steps to make stuff happen. And I know that a ton of you are there. You don't know what to do. You start getting busy in things that won't make you money, right? Oh, I'm gonna go surf on Facebook because I'm gonna talk to lots of people on Facebook and it's gonna make me a ton of money. Well, if you're in network marketing and you're really good at closing the deal, that's what will happen. If not, you're probably just going to piss off a lot of your friends. That's the reality. Instead, spend your time making evergreen things, making evergreen content that is continually going to make you money in the long run. You have to think a long game in this. So here's the problem. People jump online and they see all these people that make money fast, get rich quick online. It's not. Most people, 99.9% of the people that are making money online today have been at it for years, guys. Years. Or they were so focused, they only knew how to do one thing and they just kept doing that until they were successful. You see someone like a YouTuber come on, it's like, "Yeah, I'm making, $5,000 a week from Google ads." How long did it take their channel to get there? What were they doing in their channel, right? They probably weren't doing anything else. They weren't distracted by anything else. They were just like focused, and they did it. They got up and they did it every day. Go back and look at my channel. Almost every day I've been putting up a video since summer. My channel is growing. I get leads every day. I get sales every day. Why? Because I'm consistent. I keep doing it even when I'm tired. When I used to go get overload. So here's a couple of little tricks for you. Number one, watch some training, and before you finish, start executing that training. Start setting something up, and then you have to commit that you're going to finish that before you watch the next training. Make sense? Because what happens is you're like, "Oh, that's great," and then another video comes on. It's like, "Oh, that's really great. I'm gonna do that." And then another video comes on. "Oh, that's great." The other thing, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Don't be afraid to do things wrong. Don't be afraid to set shit up wrong, because you're going to. You're going to do it. You're going to break stuff. It's just going to happen. Don't worry about it. We all do it. Just make sure when you're finished, test it. Go get your friend to test it. Call someone, message someone, and say, "Hey, I just set up this funnel thing," or maybe you're selling a course, or maybe you're selling a product, or maybe you're trying to sell an affiliate thing. Just say, "Hey, can you opt into it to make sure it's working? I want to make sure that it's working." Go get a second Gmail that you can use, right? Set up a different Gmail account and put yourself through the entire funnel. Go purchase your own thing, right? Get a refund. I mean, not if it's an affiliate program. Almost all affiliate programs, you will see at the bottom, it'll say who the referrer is in the affiliate program. So what I have for you, I'm going to set up the funnel for you. If you don't want to do it, I highly recommend trying it. Like getting the link below. It's the 6-figure funnel. It's one of the best introductions to affiliate marketing. You don't have to go through any training. You can start promoting it the minute you finish setting up your funnel. You can start promoting it. Now, the other one that I really like to promote, my number one earner, I'll put that link below. That you do have to go through a business training. You go through 15-day challenge, and you can shorten it by a few days if you really harp on your trainer, right? You're going to be like, hey, I recommend that as well. I really recommend. And if you need help setting that up, I can help you set that up because we use a lot of the same tools. But the first one, go through it, try to get going. If you get, like, we've got step-by-step videos. If you get stuck, there's a link at the last step. Go to the last step, click the link, and it'll take you to my sales page, and you can spend the $47 and I will set it up for you. Now, that being said, we've got a secondary funnel, which is a lot more extensive. Excuse me. I'm still drinking my ginger tea. Let's make it. It's so good, guys. We have this turmeric ginger tea if you want some. It's only available in Canada and North America, but I highly recommend it. It's so good. We do have another funnel. I'm not going to talk about it right now because it's the next level. I want you guys to get this one going. If you've already got this one going and you're saying, Glenn, I've already set that thing up, it's not working for me. Let's talk about it. Message me. You're getting my emails, or go back and find my emails. Find out why it's not working for you. The number one reason it's not working for you, you're not sending enough traffic to it. You need to send traffic to it. And I don't mean like telling one person a day about it. That's not sending traffic to it. You need to have at least, I would say, a minimum 5 people opting into it a day. So depending on your opt-in rate, so let's say you're doing really great and you're getting a 20% opt-in rate, right? So you want to get 5 people. So what's that work out to, right? If you're getting 20% opt-in rate, that means you have to show it to 25 people. Is 25%, or 20% of 25 people is 5 people. You will get, yeah, that's right, 20. I'm like doing the math. I'm like, but you'll have to show it to 25 people to get 5 people in it, right? So how are you doing that? How are you exposing this to 5 people, right? Because out of those 5 people, what's your closing rate going to be, right? Is your closing rate 20%? Then you will get 1 sale. And that's really high, right? Like more realistic, you're going to look at probably like a 16 to 17% opt-in rate, and you're probably going to look at probably a 5% closing rate. Just saying, right? But you know what? It's been known, depending on what traffic sources you use. I've sent some traffic, and actually with even the same people that I buy the traffic from. Sometimes I get 40%, sometimes I get 50%, sometimes I get 30%, right? You don't know. You don't know when that offer hits that person, when what they're doing, but nothing will happen unless you're sending that traffic to people. And think about it. You know, people are like, oh, that's going to cost money. Yeah, businesses cost money. Guys, businesses cost money. This is not a job. If you want a job, go find someone to hire you. This is not a job. Right? This is a business. Businesses take money. You know, we're running a whole bunch of ads right now for our pay-per-view stuff. Is it costing us money? Yeah, because we're testing, right? We're testing. We're like, oh well, hey, we spent 60 there, or we spent 90 there, and we got 60 back. So that's not really working. But maybe if we tweak it, that's going to start being positive. You know, we spent 100 over here, and we got 190 back. So I'm like, that's working, right? So you put in $1, you get $1.90 back each time. That works. I'll continue to do that. So we're testing all the time, but it takes money. It takes money to make money. And if you have no money, then you need to go get a job, because if you want to do this, right? 2 ways to do it. You bootstrap it, you do it all yourself. That means that you need to be blogging. Okay, you have no money. Let's say you just have no money. You're blogging every day. You're making videos every day, right? I can't make a video. Why not? You're watching this, then you have a phone and internet. You can make videos every day, right? Make videos every day. You can make a blog on your phone. You can type up text, type up content, right? Watch content, absorb content, watch this training, and then go back and teach it, right? Say, teach someone about procrastination is killing them. The fear of making a mistake is killing them. That's what's stopping your business. This is what you need to get over. So if you have a little bit of money, and then you need to be investing it in your online business, right? So you need to, so let's say you have a job that you want to get out of. Then you need to be able to get like, okay, what can I skim off that job for my online business? Can I skim off $40 a week? Well, that's guys, that's like $120 a month. That's a great little start. If you can do 50, that's like $200 a month that you can put into your online business. In 6, 9, 12 months, if you work hard, that's going to be making a return. That's going to be stopping. It'll stop from you having to invest. It'll be making enough on its own. No guarantees. I'm not guaranteeing anything, but this is just the average of what you're doing. So let's say you get busy and you're putting $200 in, $200 in. All of a sudden you're making $50 a month. Then you're making 75. Then you're making 100. Then you're making $200 a month, right? Now you're like, oh, I'm going to take that 200. I'm going to put it back in. Now you're no longer taking from your job. Or to make it speed up faster, you continue to put in. So you're putting in the 200 that you're earning, plus you're taking 200 from your job. Now you're putting $400 into your business, right? Now you can start scaling it up. Find what's working and put more money into it. What is the biggest way to put more money into it? Create more content, right? Create more blogs. If you have to get people to write blogs for you, go hire them. I just got a blog written for $11.50, right? Go buy traffic, whatever it takes, right? But you need these tools, you need these things out there, because you're not going to be able to make a business from a free landing page of like a ClickBank offer or something like that, or an offer. You're not going to be able to you're not going to grow a business. You might make some sales and you get some money into your PayPal, but you're not going to be able to grow a business, right? And that's the reality. And unfortunately, if you're just doing that, you're gonna stay hungry for a long time, and you'll probably quit. As opposed to having a plan, stop procrastinating, get the stuff done. So I want you to to click the link below, go through the funnel, set it up for yourself, right? If you can't get it set up, or it's not working right, click the button on the last page. We'll go in. I'll go in. I've done a bunch of these already. And guys, why I'm charging for it is because I've done too many of them now, and I'm too busy, right? And I don't have the time. People are like, oh, can you come and do this for me? I'm like, yeah, if you pay me, and it takes me about an hour, not even an hour to set it up. So basically, pay me for my hour, and I will set it up for you, and then you're done. And Bob's your uncle. Go point traffic at it, and that's it. So hopefully this is helpful for you guys. But remember, procrastination is killing you. Don't absorb too much. Like, remember that rule, right? So when you're watching a training, like for this example, right, pause right here and go start building the funnel. Go click the link, start building, go through it, and then don't go watch another video another video on YouTube. Watch the videos in how to set it up until you finish that, until you're done. Finish it. You can finish it. You can finish it in an hour. If you watch the videos, go through and step by step, everything is there for you. All right, guys, that's what I have for you tonight. Hopefully that's really helpful for you. And please make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification button. And if you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'm here to help you. I'm here to answer you. Please don't spam on my comments. I'm just going to go in and delete them, especially the ones that are like, oh, I was really struggling until Jane so-and-so showed me this super ethical hacker thing and blah, 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 blah. It's all garbage, guys. Don't click that stuff. Okay, have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow. Cheers.